You're so motivated today.
The PLEN Cube is a portable robot that can perform facial recognition. This can be used to either estimate a person's age and gender or identify an individual from a preloaded database. The PLEN Cube can also ask questions and perform requests through voice recognition.
Hello, may I help you?
I'm checking in.
May I have your name, please?
David Gregg.
The PLEN Cube can obtain vocal data from a quick 10-second conversation. Additionally, the PLEN Cube can store that data and send it to different servers, like that of our newest collaborator, Motivel. The Motivel application is one that analyzes the vibrations of a person's vocal cords to understand their mental health. This analysis relies exclusively on the unconscious trembles of a person's vocal cords and is unaffected by pitch or volume. Therefore, Motivel can accurately analyze a person's mental health through the categories of motivation, focus or attentivity, as well as the possibility of careless mistakes.
We connected PLEN Cube with Motivel. In order to do voice analysis, we developed a function inside PLEN Cube where we recorded the voice using PLEN Cube microphone and sent the voice data to Motivel server. As a result, we obtained several parameters of analyzing the sound pressure and fluctuation. Based on the set condition, PLEN Cube will say out suggestion to take a rest.
How it works. The user shows their face to the cube and it takes their temperature and identifies their face. Then, using a simple question, like how are you feeling today, the user can reply along the lines of hello, I'm doing well today. After the analysis, the cube will say one of three things based on your mental state. 1. Your motivation is great. 2. You're doing good. Or on the rare occasion of a poor mental state, are you doing alright?
How are you today? Please tell me in 2 sentences.
Hi, I'm doing fine today.
Hi, you're so motivated today.
In terms of the ongoing experiments, they are being conducted in a variety of locations. Experiments were conducted in a hospital in Kamakura. We finished 1/3 of our experimentation period. Until now, we've collected over 500 pieces of facial recognition data and near 200 pieces of voice recognition data for the mental health chart, and are now being conducted in 2 shared office working spaces in Odawara and Kanagawa in Kanagawa. We think that these services could be useful in the West in various areas. With the pandemic, the universal decline in mental health is an issue that cannot be ignored. In particular, children are an especially vulnerable demographic, and a national state of emergency in children's mental health was even declared in the US in December. The PLEN Cube and Motivel could be used in schools or youth centers to keep track of students' mental health and offer concrete data of either mental decline or mental health that can also track stress levels and motivation so that teachers can adjust their support techniques. Additionally, companies could use this in a similar way to keep track of their employees' mental health to promote wellness as well as to support their employees mentally in times of need.
By linking PLEN Cube and Motivel, it has become possible to determine the health condition by combining not only body temperature but also motivation. As a result, it is expected to be used in various places in the future, such as caring for mental health of students at school and cram school, but also rekindling health conditions at the same time as attendance management at factories. We will continue to carry out demonstration experiments to further improve accuracy and convenience.
Personally, I think that mental health has been stigmatized so far in society, and having an app like the Motivel along with the PLEN Cube can really help to have students understand their own mental health, but as well as for teachers and parents to see concrete data of mental decline so that it cannot be denied. Concrete data will provide and perhaps convince people who were not convinced in the past. So this could be a very useful tool in destigmatizing mental health and creating a more mentally sound society.